Welcome children, this is your social class, continuation of chapter 4, the land of snow. So children, we are already discussed the previous classes, what is snow, that is what is polar region. So polar region is the region around the poles are called polar region. So this region almost is covered with snow and what happens, snow and ice. And why it's this region full of covered with ice and snow? Because they are getting sunlight is less. That's why also the 80% of is covered with snow and ice. That is the reason also it's full of the color is white color. Okay, and we are discussed what is the importance of land. So that what is iceberg and what is the difficulties of icebergs to floating or in the sea, and icebergs are very dangerous for ships to sail. So this everything matters we are discussed the previous classes. Today we are going to discuss the importance of climate, vegetation and the original inhabitants and which are the important cities. So the climate condition. What is the importance of climate condition in this region? That is, Greenland has an Arctic type of climate. Arctic type of climate. Arctic type of climate means what happened, because that area they are getting very sun raises is getting less. So full of covered with അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ അവിടെ എന്തായിരിക്കും സൂര്യൻ്റെ പ്രകാശം രശ്മികൾ കിട്ടുന്നത് ദൂരത്തേക്ക്, അതായത് അത് കിട്ടുന്നത് കുറയുന്തോറും അവിടെ എന്തായിരിക്കും, അവിടെയുള്ള ചൂടിൻ്റെ അളവ് കുറവായിരിക്കും. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ അവിടെയുള്ള സ്നോയും മറ്റും എന്തായിരിക്കും, കൂടുതലായിരിക്കും. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ അവിടുത്തെ ടെമ്പറേച്ചറും എന്തായിരിക്കും, കൂടുതലായിരിക്കും. എന്തുപോലെ ആയിരിക്കും, ഫ്രീസിങ് പോയിന്റ് അതുപോലെ ആയിരിക്കും കൂടുതൽ. സോ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ദ വിന്റേഴ്സ് ആർ ലോങ് ആൻഡ് കോൾഡ്. സോ വാട്ട് ഹാപ്പൻ, ദ വിന്റേഴ്സ് ആർ ലോങ് and cold, the summers are short and cool. Okay, that is the difference between the summer and winter. So winters are long and cold. What happened, the sun does not rise several weeks. എത്രയോ ആഴ്ചകളായിട്ട് സൂര്യൻ ഉദിക്കില്ല. That is, the sun does not rise for several weeks. The temperature drops. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ എന്തായിരിക്കും, the temperature drops below the freezing point. Temperature drop below the freezing point and it snow heavily. അപ്പോൾ എന്തായിരിക്കും, അവിടെ വരുന്ന snow heavy ആയിരിക്കും. The snow it's very heavy. Okay, so that is the first point. So in your textbook to asking the question, write the 5 sentences about climate. So the first point is the Greenland has an Arctic type of climate. Second point is the winters are long and cold. The third is the sun rays for several weeks, so the temperature drops below the freezing point, so the snow heavily. Okay, that's the third point. And extremely cold and chilly wind also blowing from there, and the summer is short and the summer season is short and cool. The weather is bright and sunny, especially in the coastal areas. These are the 5 points about climate. Okay, write 5 sentences about climate. First one is Greenland has an Arctic type of region. Second one is the winter season is in winter are long and cold. That is also the sun does not rise for several weeks. So they are what happening, the freezing point, they are going down to freezing point. The reason is snow heavily. And the third point is summer season is what happened, the summer season is short and cold and the weather bright and sunny, especially in the coastal areas. These are the 5 points about climate. Okay, and the importance of vegetation. What is the importance of vegetation? So that is, seed germinate or plants grow in the summer season. എപ്പോഴാണ് സീഡ്സ് മുളയ്ക്കുന്നത്, only in the summer season, because summer seasonലാണ് അവർക്ക് കുറച്ചെങ്കിലും ചൂട് കിട്ടുന്നത്. മരങ്ങളും ചെടികളും മറ്റും വളരണമെങ്കിൽ അവർക്ക് എന്താണ്, they are getting the proper sunlight and all. സൺലൈറ്റ് മറ്റും കിട്ടിയില്ലെങ്കിൽ ചെടികൾ വളരുമോ? No. സോ എപ്പോഴാണ് അവർക്ക് ചെടികൾ പിന്നെയും വളരുന്നത്, ഇൻ ദ സമ്മർ സീസൺ. The only plants that grow here are mosses, liches, grasses and bushes. ഇത്ര മാത്രമേ അവിടെ ചെടികളുള്ളൂ. There is no forest and no crops are growing there. അവിടെ ഫോറസ്റ്റ് ആയിട്ടോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അവിടെ ചെടികളായിട്ടോ ക്രോപ്സോ ഒന്നും അവിടെ വളരില്ല. Because what happened? Due to the cold region, cold climate. Okay, so that is the importance of vegetation. And the next one is, what is the importance of wildlife? Which are the animals are living from the earth? So that is only animals with thick furry coat. അത്രയും thick ആയിട്ടുള്ള thick furry coat animals are only living in this region, and those which are withstand extreme cold and survive in Greenland. Okay, so the climate is extreme cold, so that is also only living the animals are in thick furry coat animals only living. And wolf like, one of the wolf like dog is there, that the name is huskies. The picture is in your textbook, huskies. Okay, wolf like dogs, അതായത് വൂൾഫിനെ പോലെയുള്ള ഡോഗ്സ് ആണ്. The name is huskies and used for hunting and pulling the sledges, hunting and pulling the sledges. ഇതിനു വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് they are depending these animals. And another, which are the animals, those are the pictures also in your textbook. These are the animals also living from there. So which are they? That is musk ox, seal, then whale, then polar bear. The last one is white-tailed eagle. So these are the animals are living in this region. Okay children, and in your textbook given checkpoint. So first question is that the original inhabitant of Greenland is Inuits. An important latitude that passes through Greenland is called Arctic Circle. A huge block of ice floated on water is called iceberg. Fourth one, a breed of dog that pulls sledges in Greenland is called huskies. So these are the answers in your checkpoint answers. And the next one is life of the region. Which type of people are living in this area? So that is the Inuits. So Inuits came to Greenland from North America and settled many years ago. Okay, so the specialities of the people, അവരുടെ പ്രത്യേകത എന്താണ്? The Inuits are short and stout. ഷോർട്ടുമായിരിക്കും, stout ആയിരിക്കും. Stout means fat, നീളം കുറഞ്ഞതും കുറച്ച് പരന്ന, അതായത് തടി ഉള്ള കൂട്ടത്തിലുമായിരിക്കും. And they have flat face, their face is flat and narrow eyes, and the skin color is copper yellow skin. Okay, their skin is copper yellow. So this is their body structure, and they wear clothes made from the skin of seal. Their clothes made the skin of seal. Why they are wearing this skin of seal? എന്തിനാണ് അവർ ഇങ്ങനത്തെ ആനിമൽസിൻ്റെ സ്കിന്നും മറ്റും യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? ബിക്കോസ് ദാറ്റ് എക്സ്ട്രീം cold region is that. So അതിൽ നിന്നും they want to protect their body. അതിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് they are depending this animals. Okay, and also their jacket called, അവർ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന ജാക്കറ്റിന് പറയുന്ന പേരാണ് parkas. Okay, their jacket called parkas have hoods cover with head. അവരുടെ ഹെഡും കവർ ചെയ്തിരിക്കും. And they generally wear double trousers and high boots. So they are wearing double trousers and high boots. High boots also they are wearing that boots also made upon the skin of seals. Okay, and which type of houses they are using? So they are using the house name as igloos. The people live in the extreme north build so snow houses or igloos. So these people, we are already the small classes we are studied that is name is Eskimos. Okay, so these Inuits are also called Eskimos. So their houses name is snow houses or igloos. The picture is in your textbook. This is igloos. And what is the specialities of igloos? Igloos in the pratyekada endakeyanu? So they are large block of ice to construct them. Large block of ice to construct them. The first point, the igloos are dome shaped. The top is like a circle, dome shape. Okay, that is second point. And a hole is made in the center of the dome For what? Why they are making a small hole? Because they needed more heat. അപ്പോൾ കൂടുതൽ ചൂട് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാൻ പാടില്ല, അവർക്ക് പുറത്തേക്കൊന്നും പോവാതെ ആ ചൂട് അവർക്ക് തന്നെ കിട്ടണം. So they are making a small hole. And that is third point. The floor is covered with skin or furs of animals. അവിടെയും അവർ ഫ്ലോറും മറ്റും കവർ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത് എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ്? ആനിമൽസിൻ്റെ സ്കിൻ കൊണ്ടാണ്. ആൻഡ് ഡ്യൂറിങ് സമ്മേഴ്സ് പീപ്പിൾ ലീവ് ഇൻ ടെൻറ്റ് മെയ്ഡ് ഓഫ് ആനിമൽസ് ഹൈഡ്. ഓക്കെ, ഡ്യൂറിങ് ദ വിന്റർ സീസൺ ദേ ആർ ലിവിങ് ഇൻ ദിസ് ഇഗ്ലൂസ് ഹൗസസ്, ആൻഡ് ദ സമ്മർ സീസൺ they are making a tent inside. They are making the tent, okay, and the people live in tent made of animal hide. So these are called two-pigs. Okay, these type of houses we call two-pig. And in recent years this type of peoples make modern houses. Okay children, these are the importance of igloo. So we are discussed the life of the region. The people name is Inuits or Eskimos. So they are like body structure we are explained, and they are house, the igloo, the speciality of igloo and the structure or how to construct these igloos, that is also we are discussed. That is important question. What is the importance of igloos, how the igloos they are made. Okay, that is important question. And the another thing is, what is the important occupation of these region people? That is Inuit skilled fishermen and hunters. അവിടെയുള്ളവർ അധികവും എന്താണ്? ഫിഷർമാനും ഹണ്ടേഴ്സും ആണ്. They hunt animals for their meat, skin and fat. എന്തിനു വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് അവർ ആനിമൽസിനെ ഹണ്ട് ചെയ്തിരുന്നത്? സ്കിൻ, മീറ്റ് ആൻഡ് ഫാറ്റ്. Long years back, but earlier they used harpoons. What do you mean by harpoon? Harpoon means a rope attached weapon. Harpoon means a rope attached weapon. അതൊരു വെപ്പൺ ആണ്. റോപ്പ്, കയറുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ടിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു വെപ്പൺ ആണ്. That is the picture in your textbook, page number 180. You can see here. That is weapon. Okay, so that the name is harpoon. Harpoon is a rope attached weapon, and this weapon is using to hunting the animals. And the Inuits are small boats also called kayaks to hunt sea animals, and a broader boat, it's called umiak, is used to hunt whale and hunting some fish, sea animals also. So nowadays their life is totally changed. They are undergone many changes in recent years. So they are using motor boats, and most of the peoples are working in mines and oil field. Okay, so these are the important things as are in, and many peoples are migrated to towns and cities also. Recent years, തൊട്ടടുത്ത വർഷങ്ങളായിട്ടാണ് ഇതെല്ലാം സംഭവിച്ചത്. But long years back they are living in this type of houses. Which type of igloos and all. Okay children, read your textbook proper. Thank you.